What if I told you that the secret to unlocking your potential lies behind the glass? Your mirror holds the power to radically transform your reality if you know how to harness its magic. Welcome, fellow seekers. Today I will be unveiling an incredible life-changing phenomenon called the mirror principle that shapes every single aspect of your existence. As a comedian Jim Carrey put it, you can fail at what you don't want, so you might as well take a chance on doing what you love. Are you ready to take a chance on yourself and master the mindset for a total transformation? Then let's dive in. We have all had moments when self-doubt starts to creep in, but what most don't realize is that these limiting beliefs become self-fulfilling prophecies. Your mirror is a direct reflection of what you project into it. If you send in the thoughts of lack and fear, that is what will stare back. Skeptical? Well, consider a study by psychologists that found cyclists who trained with avatars mirroring their movements increased performance by over 15% compared to control groups. Their reality shaped itself to match the enhanced image. This reveals an incredible truth. You hold the power to completely transform that reflects back through the glass. But first you must change what you shine inward. Here are 3 tips to begin harnessing the mirror principle. Become the observer of your thoughts. Notice when self-doubts arise and consciously replace them with empowering beliefs. Visualize your ideal self. Olympian Michael Phelps perfected each race first in his mind before dominating in the pool. Mentally rehearse your goals as already completed. Carefully curate your environment. Artist Pablo Picasso said, "Surround yourself with only people who are going to lift you higher." Banishing doubts take practice, but over time, embodying your ideal self becomes second nature. Now I know some may be thinking this sounds too basic, but stick with me because we have only uncovered the tip of iceberg. It comes to the mirror's immense power to radically reshape your life. Here comes the dramatic turning point. What if I told you the mirror could open portals to entirely new dimensions and realities? I realize how impossible this may sound, but the evidence is overwhelming. Luminaries throughout history, from Plato to Einstein and more, believed a deeper reality exists beyond our 5 senses, and your reflections hold the key to glimpsing this hidden realm of infinite potential. You don't have to take my words for it. Trace this phenomenon back through the ancients across cultures who knew the mirror's power to illuminate higher truths, alternate worlds, and our greatest destiny. Harness this knowledge and you can transcend your limits. The glass holds far more power than you realize. You can become the highest version of yourself. All you must do is take the first step through the portal. Your destiny awaits on the other side. A wise person once said, "What we achieve inwardly will change our outer reality." Transform first from within and watch your world reshape. But don't expect this journey to be easy. Challenges will arise, doubts will creep in these moments. Recall the incredible power that lies behind the glass. Let this knowledge steel your resolve. The potential within you is unlimited. You need only realize how extraordinary you truly are. I will leave you with this final thought from legendary martial artist Bruce Lee. If you always put limits on everything you do, physical or anything else, it will spread into your work and into your life. There are no limits. There are only plateaus, and you must not stay there. You must go beyond them. The choice is yours. Take the leap, master the mirror mindset. Dare to become who you were designed to be. I will see you on the other side.